How many times have you opened your wardrobe, looked at dozens of clothes, and still thought, I have nothing to wear? Welcome back to MANORA. The problem usually isn't that you need more clothes. It's that a few everyday habits are quietly ruining your style. Before you spend money on another shirt, jacket, or pair of trousers, let's fix the 7 habits that make even a full wardrobe feel empty. One of the biggest style mistakes is shopping without knowing what your wardrobe actually needs. You see a trendy jacket or a discounted shirt, buy it because it looks good in the store, then discover it doesn't match anything you already own. Great style starts with intention. Before buying anything, ask yourself whether it works with at least 3 outfits you already have. Every impulsive purchase adds another piece that competes for attention instead of completing your wardrobe. Over time, you end up with clothes that are individually attractive but collectively disconnected. A smaller collection of versatile pieces will almost always outperform a wardrobe full of random trends that rarely get worn. Expensive clothing cannot save poor fit. A budget t-shirt that fits your shoulders perfectly will often look better than a luxury shirt that's too loose or too tight. Many people blame their clothes when the real issue is sizing. Learning how garments should fit your body instantly upgrades your appearance without buying anything new. Sleeves that are slightly too long, trousers that bunch around your shoes, or jackets that hang awkwardly can make an outfit feel unfinished. Sometimes a simple alteration costs very little, but transforms how the entire outfit looks. Style isn't always about buying better clothes. It's often about wearing your current clothes better. Fashion trends move fast, but your personal style should move with confidence. Buying every trending color, oversized silhouette, or viral item usually leads to a wardrobe that feels outdated only a few months later. Trends should support your style, not replace it. Focus on timeless pieces first, then add trends carefully as accent. Many people keep buying new clothes simply because their outfits feel boring. In reality, the problem is often poor color coordination. If every item in your wardrobe clashes with another, getting dressed becomes frustrating. Learning a few reliable color combinations can make old clothes look surprisingly fresh and stylish. Black, white, navy, gray, beige, and olive are timeless foundations that work with almost everything. When your wardrobe is built around these versatile shades, adding one bold color becomes easy and intentional. Instead of chasing dozens of colorful pieces, create balance with a strong neutral base that gives you countless outfit combinations. Even the best clothing loses its appeal if it's wrinkled, faded, stretched, or covered in lint. Many people replace garments that simply need better care. Washing clothes correctly, storing them properly, and ironing or steaming before wearing them can dramatically improve your overall appearance without spending another pound. Quality isn't only determined by the brand. It also depends on how you maintain each piece. Rotate what you wear, repair small damages early, and avoid overwashing delicate fabrics. Clothes that are cared for properly not only last longer, but continue to look sharper every time you wear them. Looking stylish doesn't always mean being the most fashionable person in the room. It means wearing the right outfit for the right situation. An excellent outfit can feel completely out of place if it doesn't match the environment. Understanding dress codes and context instantly makes you appear more confident and socially aware. Before getting dressed, ask yourself a simple question. Where am I going today? A casual coffee meeting, a business presentation, a weekend trip, and a formal dinner all require different approaches. When function comes first, style follows naturally, making your outfits feel effortless instead of forced. Social media makes it easy to believe that everyone else has a better wardrobe. But constantly comparing yourself to influencers or celebrities often leads to unnecessary purchases. Remember, you're usually seeing carefully planned photos, not everyday reality. Your goal isn't to copy someone else's style. It's to develop one that genuinely reflects you. Most memorable people aren't always wearing the newest clothes. They're wearing outfits that suit them and carrying themselves with confidence. When you stop chasing approval and start dressing intentionally, people notice the person first, not just the clothing. Imagine owning fewer clothes, but creating more outfits. That's the result of building a wardrobe with purpose. Every purchase should solve a problem, fill a gap, or expand your outfit possibilities. Buying less doesn't limit your style. It gives every piece in your wardrobe greater value and meaning. Next time you're tempted by a flash sale or the latest trend, pause for a moment. Ask yourself whether you're buying because you truly need the item or because one of these 7 habits is influencing your decision. Often, changing your mindset creates a bigger style transformation than any shopping trip ever could. The most stylish people aren't necessarily the ones with the biggest wardrobes. They're the ones who know how to make the most of what they already own. Style is a skill that improves through observation, practice, and smart decisions. Every outfit becomes better when it's built with intention rather than impulse. Instead of filling your closet with more pieces, focus on building a wardrobe that reflects your lifestyle. Keep the items you genuinely enjoy wearing. Donate what no longer serves you, and identify the gaps before making another purchase. A wardrobe that works together saves time, reduces stress, and helps you look consistently well-dressed. next shopping trip. Take a moment to remember these 7 habits. Buy without a plan, ignoring fit, chasing every trend, overlooking color coordination, neglecting clothing care, dressing without considering the occasion, and comparing yourself to others. Fixing these habits costs little or nothing, yet the results can completely transform the way you dress. Fashion will always introduce new collections, seasonal trends, and irresistible promotions. But your greatest investment isn't another jacket or another pair of trainers. It's developing the ability to recognize what truly deserves a place in your wardrobe. Once you master that skill, every future purchase becomes smarter, more versatile, and far more satisfying. Thank you for watching MANORA. If today's video helped you see your wardrobe from a different perspective, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's always saying they have nothing to wear. Subscribe to MANORA for more practical style advice, timeless fashion tips, and smart wardrobe strategies designed to help you look your best without spending more than you need. Until next time, wear your clothes with confidence and let your habits define your style, not your shopping bag.